Umhlaba ke mfethu udalwe nje ngendlela efanayo nawe, nento eyodwa nje. I-mechanism behind you and umhlaba lo is the same. Yabo njengoba une-cell nawe nomhlaba nawo wena uya-cell emhlabeni. So ninonke nje nihlangene nje nakha yona ibody le yomhlaba. So uma ngabe nigula kugula wona umhlaba. So umhlaba ke nawo uyadlula kuma stages athile njengempilo yakho nje. But ukwenza through wena lokho. Yabo? So njengoba empilweni yakho kune play edlalayo njengamanje. There is a play that is playing in your life. Nomhlaba ke kwenzeka the same thing. There is a play after every 411 years. There is a play that is going to play. That's what we call a background frequency. So ngiqhubeka ku part 2 ke we video engeke ngayenza ukuthi we are going to go through in a global shift. We consciousness or we background frequency yomhlaba. So that is why ke you'll see izinto eziningi engazuthi ziya collapse njengamanje. You'll see so many things collapsing, but okwamanje ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha. Othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Ukhumbule ukuthi ngithe ngiqale nje ngenze recap kancane ukuthi the last like 411 years from here to here we were in the cross of planning. So this cross kahle mangabe ungayibukanga upart 1 ngicela ubuke upart 1. I won't go back. This cross is very tribal, yabo? It's very tribal. This is where the structures of communities and organized communities, this is where all these things that you see were formed, yabo? Like sibe tribal, working together and all of those things. Institutions, social institutions, governments, bargains, community bargains. You do this, I do this, we work together. Government should take care of us, traditional leaders and all. Tribe, later tribe, attributable to this. So going forward, let us come to 2027 now. Going forward, 2027, things will shift. Ngoba sizongena kule cross or background frequency ekuthiwa it is the cross of the sleeping phoenix. Iyona cross esizoza kuyona ke le.